Riwruok mar Redcross mano Cereals Millers Association kuom tudruok kod riwruok mar Redcross e chenro mar chiwo chiemb kony ne jopuonjre maromo 61,000 e kinde penj mabiro chakore dweni. Tudruok makamano biro neno ni chiemo ochopo e skunde 150 e kauntis 9. Chiemo michwalo e skunde ibiro kan e kuonde kano chiemo moket thenge kod Redcross. Kauntis mabiro yudo kony oting'o Meru, Garissa, Marsabit, Tana River, Samburu, Makueni, Kajiado, Nyeri kod Machakos. Chiemo gi biro chiw e thuolo mag penj mag tam mar 3 mabiro chakore kor dweni.
There are many other impacts that we need to be aware of, and one of it, of course, is education, that many children are falling off school because of hunger. Some children are actually being removed from school by their parents because they cannot afford to pay maybe the school fees that the school would require to buy the food. But more importantly, because this drought has also led to the loss of livelihood, we have seen especially girls being married off early in some of the counties where we are actually going to be taking this food, so that the family can be given some cows in exchange for their daughter. And it's very disheartening.
The Cereal Millers Association and the Kenya Red Cross Society will from today begin distributing flour, targeting 61,000 school children, 150 schools across 9 counties. The feeding program will cover learners in Meru, Garissa, Marsabit, Tana River, Samburu, Makueni, Kajiado, Nyeri, Baringo, Machakos, and Kitui counties.